Hey, are you tired of everything that you see on TV and are now contemplating your life and very existence? Well, even though you can't control these things, the least you can do is avoid the virus yourself. Anyway, do you know about the other three COVID variants? That's right, not one, not two, but three. And to think this all started because someone in China ate a pangolin, or, created in a lab, then boom! Now the world is in utter chaos just like our economy right now. Yay! Anyways, you're in luck. I will make sure to inform you, yes, you, about these prevalent variants in the world. We all know that the coronavirus started in Wuhan just 2 years ago. In just weeks, the virus rapidly spread across the world. A person can get affected when droplets containing COVID come directly in contact with the eyes, nose, or mouth. That's common knowledge, as this was prevented with wearing masks and proper hygiene. That was just for the normal variant, though. One of its mutations is called the alpha variant. Or if you prefer this, what in the. In December of 2020, the alpha variant was first found in grey old England and was able to spread easier than the original one. The symptoms haven't changed, though. The mutation itself was called, yeah. This variant was discovered reportedly because 5 to 10% of these cases in the UK needed epidemiological surveillance and was designated as a, and I quote, variant under investigation. But when it spread faster than your parents are zoning you for that one test, it was redesigned as a variant of concern. It increases how its spike proteins bind to the receptor that mediates viral entry into the cells. Then, there's this mutation that is hypothesized, when in tandem with the latest mutation, is the cause of rapid transmissibility. But the virus decided not to end our suffering. On October 2020, another variant, called the beta variant, or the... Why do I even bother? This was first identified in South Africa and is now detected in over 132 countries. It contains certain mutations that cause it to swiftly spread, leading to it becoming another variant of concern alongside the alpha variant. Though in December 2020, there were reported cases of this variant in the UK, Australia, and Japan, and of course, Switzerland. And after that, there were a couple of mutations that occurred during this. Those are called... I may only be 15, but if I get my hands on the people who named these, I'm going to... These mutations make the virus avoid some types of antibodies and drive our immune systems better. The K417N helps the virus bind better to our body, and the N501Y mutation makes it more contagious. We thought this was the end, but apparently, the virus had other plans. The third variant is called the Gamma variant, or P1. It started in Manaus, Brazil. It has almost 3 times the infectivity rate, a high mortality rate, and a really high resilience of vaccinated people. So far, it has infected up to 26 countries and counting. It has a habit of evading immunization cells with a protein called... Do I really have to say this? Though most strains of the COVID variants actually have it, Gamma has the tendency to pop up even in the most highly populated areas with a high vaccination rate. A related incident in France involving a group of gold miners demonstrates this behavior. A group of adult miners were mining in a remote area far away from the nearest cities, when suddenly they got infected with the worst thing that could possibly happen to them. Turns out, even if all the miners have received a double dose of the vaccine, Gamma's high attack rate lets it reinfect even the 2 reported isolated cases in their group.